Okay, I'm gonna audition for Claire, Joanna, and Mindy. So, I'm gonna start with Claire. No way. There's no freaking way this could be real. I'm dreaming, right? How about this? I help you, only if you can do a favor for me. What the hell did you do to me? Okay, here's Joanna. You are so evil. Oh, please, Claire. You're always melodramatic. Can you blame me? I only tried to protect you from the truth. I didn't want you to get hurt after all you are. After all, you are my best friend. Claire, when's dinner ready? Oh my god, I'm so telling Mom. You? With him? Good luck.